Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox account manager not working. Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Roblox account manager issues. Let's get started by ensuring your Roblox is up to date. Troubleshooting step number 1. Close and relaunch. Fully close both Roblox and account manager. Launch account manager first, then Roblox. If that doesn't work, second step, restart your computer. If the previous step doesn't work, restart your computer. For step number 3, delete duplicated Roblox. Go to your device settings and find the apps section. You might see two Roblox entries, Roblox player and one with your name. Delete the one with your name. Step number 4. Switch accounts in game. Select an account to play a game and join in. Exit the game but keep the Roblox app running. In Account Manager, select another account and join in. You should now have two Roblox windows, one for the app and one for the game. Join the desired account in the app window. That's it. You should now have a working Roblox account manager. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.